Welcome to Law News at Law Tube. To begin with the law news on Thursday, 21st May 2020. E-filing, the first step in moving towards the system of e-court. Chief Justice of India, CJI Bobde, says during online demo for proposed e-filing module. The Supreme Court of India on 15th May 2020 conducted an online demo of the proposed e-filing module through a webinar attended by Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde and the Chairman of the E-Committee, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Justice of India in his presidential address said e-filing seems to be the first step in the entire process of the e-court. Chief Justice Bobde remarked that through this e-filing module, the registry will be brought into the chamber of the advocates. During the webinar, Chief Justice of India Bobde observed that e-filing is the first step in moving towards the e-court system of India. In a special address delivered by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, the judge of the Supreme Court said that the pandemic has affected the daily lives of the people and calls for robust and calibrate institutional response. In significant way, what we do today will define the future. Our responses must deal with the present, but the footprint of the pandemic will redefine how we function tomorrow in ways which may not readily apparent today, Justice Chandrachud said. This proposed e-filing module is a representation of the collaborative effort between the bar and the bench as well as the registry. He added with reference to the simplifying of the filing process. Owing to these changes in time, thousands of courts across the country, in addition to the Supreme Court, have been conducting hearing through video conferencing, the chairman of the E-Committee said. Justice Chandrachud added further that the E-Committee is alive to the fact that not all lawyers have access to technology. Therefore, the solution proposed for a step toward digitalized process must factor in this situation. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud said that the motto of the E-Committee is efficiency, transparency, and access to every user of justicing service, and that one of the initiatives by the committee has been to set up e-Seva Kendras at high courts and district courts. Speaking on the e-filing module, the Supreme Court Judge D.Y. Chandrachud said this module has been developed by a team of 11 members in the last 4 months, despite the nationwide COVID-19 lockdown which has been in place since March 25, 2020. Listing the future of the module, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud said that it will be provided for 24 into 7 filing through all 7 days of the week. Further, it envisages online time-slotted communication of defects and scrutiny of filed matter, and also provides for e-payment of court fee and digital signatures. The president of the Supreme Court Bar Association, Senior Advocate Dushant Dave, in his address said that the bar and the bench would have to walk side by side to ensure that access to justice is ensured for the litigants at a time like this when the normal functioning of the court has had to be restricted due to a health crisis. Supreme Court Bar Association President Senior Counsel Dushant Dave said if judicial works is paralyzed, democracy is in danger. He said that the combined effort of the bar and the bench will give a robust platform for the benefit of the most important stakeholders, the litigants. Having said so, Dave requested the court to consider the combining of e-hearing as well as physical hearing to expand the number of cases that can be heard by the court. President of the Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association, Advocate Shivaji M. Jadhav, said that while virtual hearings are the need of the hour and the Supreme Court has left no stone unturned to ensure that access to justice is not stopped, despite the pandemic, physical hearing can be done away with. While saying that the virtual hearing should not become the new normal, Jadhav in lighter vein said that everyone misses the court and the joys of physical appearance before the court. The interaction with the judges and other lawyers is something all bar members miss, he added. So that's all in today's law news at LawTube. If you have enjoyed LawTube videos, please don't forget to like and share them. For more similar law news videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel LawTube. See you again on next video.